Hello everyone, welcome to my new course, and this is a single event management website using raw PHP or vanilla PHP or native PHP, and I have used here PDO process with MySQL. And if you want to run this application with the latest PHP, then you can run it. It will support PHP 8.2, 8.3, 8.4. So let's start, and I will show you, or I will describe you what I have done in this application. So here you will see that this is the front end of this application, and in this application this is a complete single event management website where you can control everything. That means you can control the speakers, you can control the organizers, you can make a system so that any attendee who will attend in this event, he can do the free registration here. He will have to pay and he can buy ticket. There are many packages here, so any person who wants to attend the event, he can buy ticket from this website. And in the case of bank payment, admin will approve it from the backend. Otherwise, using the PayPal or Stripe and other payment gateway, the user can easily pay using this website for any event automatically. Here you see this is the front end, and in this front end, first you see the event date is showing here, how many days, how many hours and how many minutes are remaining. And here you see the event detail, where it will, what is the venue, where it will be happen, and what is the date of the event, the description of the event, etc. You will be able to see from here. So this is a banner, and from here you can go to the pricing page straight, and in the home page you will see the welcome section. And then there is a speaker section, who are the speakers of this event. After that there is a counter section, and then there is a pricing section. And after that there is a latest news section in the homepage and the sponsors section in this homepage. Now in the footer you will see some links and also contact information, and there is a newsletter sign up box. So this is in short the homepage. If I go to the speakers, you will be able to see all the speakers from here. And in the home page, how many speakers you want to show in this section, you can easily control from the backend or from the admin panel. And also if you go to the speakers page, then here there will be a pagination if the number of speakers is a very big. For example, there are hundreds of speakers, or 50 speakers, or 60, 70, 80 speakers, or a lot of speakers, then there will be a pagination in the bottom, and that thing is implemented here. But here, as there are only 4 speakers, so there is no pagination. If you click on any speaker, then it will take you to the speaker detail page, and here you will be able to see the speaker photo, speaker name, speaker designation, speaker biography, speaker address, email, phone, website, social media, etc. You will be able to see. Also in the bottom you will be able to see which session he will operate. A session can be operated by multiple speakers, and a speaker can have multiple sessions. So this is very easily controlled in this website, and I have coded here very smoothly and using the native or raw PHP, so you will be able to understand everything from scratch. And if you are a beginner, this course will help you a lot more, because your concept will be grow up and your concept will be developed if you see the course that I have implemented here. Here you will see that in this case there is a breadcrumb. If I click, you will be able to see the speakers page again. And if you want to see the schedule, you can go here and you will see all the day wise schedule. Day 1 has these 2 sessions. If you click on day 2 has these 2 sessions. In the day 3 there are 2 sessions. Under any particular day you will be able to add multiple sessions. That means unlimited number of sessions you can add under a day. Also the number of day is not limited. You can add a unlimited number of days here for any event. And here you will see that there is a speakers here, and it is linked to the main speaker who is going to take the session. Here you see this session will be taken by this speaker, this session will be taken by this. Day 2, here this session, day 3, this one and this one. And in this session you will see this session will be operated by 2 speakers. So it is possible that a session can be operated or run by multiple speakers. Now I am going to show you the pricing. So there is a package section in the backend, and from here you can control all these things. That means all the packages you can control. And if you see there are how many tickets are remaining, you will be able to see here. And if a person want to buy ticket, he will be taken to the login page, because without login a person will not be able to buy tickets. So before login, a new person will have to create a new account. From here he will have to give his name, email address and password, and then register now. An email will be sent to his email address, so he will have to verify the account, and after the verification the user will be able to log in here. And there is a forget password option also. If any person forget, if any existing user or existing attendee forget his password, then he can also reset the password. And after login the pricing will work. If I log in with a sample user here for now, you will see that it will take you to the user dashboard, and this is in short the user dashboard. Here are my tickets option. That means this user bought tickets 3 times. So in each time when he bought a ticket for a standard package, he paid by bank, and when this package he bought, and here he bought 2 tickets. So he bought 2 tickets under premium package, he bought total 3 tickets under standard package and 4 tickets under business package. So in each time he wants, he can buy tickets. But if the number is as the ticket number is limited per package, so he will not be able to buy unlimited tickets. He must there will be a limitation so that he can buy a maximum number of tickets. For example, if I go to the pricing, you will see that tickets remaining 8. So if this person now want to buy this ticket, he will be taken to the buy ticket option. Already his information will be filled up here. If he did not fill up all the information, he must have to give this information here. And then here you see he will be able to buy maximum 8 tickets, because 8 tickets are remaining. So he cannot buy more than 8. So in this way it is controlled. And if we click on Stripe, then click on buy ticket, it will take him to the step checkout page. If we select the PayPal and click on buy ticket, it will take him to the PayPal checkout page. And in the dashboard you will see that there is another option, that is the messages. If any person wants to send the message to admin, he will be able to write message here, submit, then this message will be sent to admin. And if admin gives any reply to his message, that thing he will be able to see here. And in the admin messages there is a green bar in the left side, and his own message will be in normal style. There is a profile page, and when a user will make a new registration in this system, then his name and email was given during registration, but all other information like phone, address, country, state, etc., he will have to fill up here now. And he will also have to change his photo. So this is the user end. There are other pages, you see this is the blog page, and from here user will be able to see the blog detail. And there is a sponsors page. What are the sponsors, number of sponsors, for example number of sponsor categories user can handle, that means admin can handle from the backend. So admin can add gold sponsors, platinum sponsor, and if needed any other sponsors. Then under each sponsor category, this particular sponsors admin will add. If now you click on any particular sponsor, then the sponsor detail page will come here. You see these are the sponsor detail page. So if you click here, this sponsor detail will come here with the map. So admin can control everything about the sponsor from here. There is the organizer option, and there are the organizers of this event. And so if you click on any particular organizer, then the organizer detail page will come, and from here you will be able to see his information, his biodata, his email, his phone, his social activities, etc. Now if you go to the accommodations, then these are the hotel or accommodations for the attendees who will attend in the event. If they come from outside the city, they will be able to stay in these hotels or in this residence. So here you can add unlimited number of hotels or unlimited number of places where the attendees can stay. And the information of that hotel, that means address, email, phone, website, etc., are given here. Now there is another option, that is photo gallery. So event photo gallery, that can be the past event photo gallery, or when the event will be ended, that event photos you can add here. If you click on photo, the photo will come in the real shape. There is a video gallery. If you click on here, if you click on any video in this icon, then it will come in and play in the pop-up. From here you can go one after another videos like this. And there is a FAQ section. So FAQ can be controlled by admin. That means everything in the website you can control from the admin. And if you see the testimonial, you will see unlimited number of testimonials you can add here. There is a contact page, and from here any person will be able to see the email to the admin, and from the admin panel, admin can change the address, email, phone, map, etc. So this is in short about the front end. I hope you have understood. And now I am going to show the admin panel. And here you will see that in this system, if you write the admin, it will be redirected you to the login.php page, and here you can give the admin information. Here you see also there is a forget password. If the admin forget his password, he can reset here, and if we click here, it will take him. For example, I click here, he will be taken to the forget password page, and if he forget, then he will give his email and submit. Then a link will be sent to his email address from where he will be able to reset the password. Now I am going to log into the admin panel, and in the admin panel you see this is the admin dashboard. All the data are showing here, that is total post, total testimonial, the number will be shown here, and all the recent tickets I have shown here. Now here in the settings, you will be able to change the logo of the website. From the favicon, you will be able to change the favicon of the website. From the page banner here, if you change this banner, all the page main banner will be changed. The footer information you can change from here. The ticket maximum, that means the ticket purchase expired date you can give here. That means after this date you will not be able to purchase any ticket. There is a theme color, from where you will be able to change the theme of the website, then the front end theme will be changed. If I go to the home page, you will see that the home page information you can change from here. There is also other pages, that means the contact page information you can change from here. Terms page information you can change. The speaker section you can add and control the speaker, add, edit or delete speaker from here. Schedule days, day 1, day 2, day 3. If you want, you can add more days here with the date here. Then in the schedule, then you will be able to set up all the sessions under, and each session will be under any particular schedule day, and then you will be able to assign schedule to speaker. This is the assigning system. Okay, so from here you can assign, and here an Ajax system is added. That means there is no schedule because you did not select any day. So if you select any day, so that schedule under that particular day will come here. If you select day 2, the schedule under day 2 will come here. If you select day 3, then the schedule under day 3 will come here. So an Ajax based chain selection is used here. And in this way you can assign, and that data will be shown here, and you can also delete or unlink this. Now in the sponsor section, you will be able to add sponsor categories. Then you will be able to add the sponsors. You will be able to control the organizer. You will be able to control the attendees also from here. And the package you can control from here. The tickets, when a ticket user will buy from his end, then the admin will be able to see here. If any package is pending, then it will be red marked here in the case of bank payment, and the admin will be able to change the status. That means he will be able to complete that, and in that case an email will be sent to the user that his bank payment has been approved. And also when it is needed to be approved, then when user will pay via bank and send the request to the admin will also receive an email that a new request comes to him. So he will check and approve this payment from here. And from here you will be able to see the order detail. From here you will be able to see the invoice, and you can print the invoice. That means admin can print the invoice from here. There is a messaging system. That means if any message come from attendee, admin will get a notification via the email. Similarly, when admin will reply to any message of the attendee, then another email will go to the attendee that admin has replied his message. So there is a email communication here also with this. So from here admin will be able to see attendee voice messages. For example, with this attendee, what conversation was done, he will be able to see from here. So admin will see all the conversation with him. And if for this user, if you want to see the messages, these two conversation has been done with this user. Now admin can just reply here and submit from here. So this is very easy. Now I am going to show the subscriber. All the subscriber are showing here. All the subscriber you can export from here as the CSV, and if you want you can send email to all the subscriber as the admin. Now here after that I am going to show accommodation section. Admin can control this accommodation from here. Photo gallery admin can control from here. Video gallery from here. FAQ from here. Testimonial he can control from here. And from here, from the top section, admin will be able to change his password, his email or name or photo, etc. Admin can control from here. And from the back end, if admin click on the front end, it will take him to the dashboard page. And another very interesting thing I will show you in the case of front end. You will see that if I click on speakers, then it is showing this, but there is a .php, right? But without .php, this page is working. So I have worked with this in using the htaccess file. So if you go to any page, for example a sponsor, you see there is no PHP extension. If you click here, you see a sponsor / this one. So all this is maintained actually using the raw PHP. So you see speaker / this, but there is no slug or for example speaker.php ? Equal to this type of link is not it. So this URL is very SEO friendly and user friendly. So I hope you will enjoy the project very much. So thank you for watching.